Artoonza.
6 apples, 6 colors, 6 chances to make a glittery mess your mom will definitely notice. Then comes the kaboom moment. Acrylic paint injections, red, pink, green, orange, violet, yellow. Basically a rainbow food fight, but on paper. Oh, and a sneaky nail polish makeover for the leaves. By the end, these apples will be so sweet, even the grumpiest cat will purr and say, "Fine, that's cute. Let's go." Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Give us your like. Leaf Root's getting a nail salon makeover. Brown polish, because even apples need pedicures. These apples are so cute,
Aww,
even a grumpy cat said, "Meowvelous." Boom, red paint drop. This apple just got its lipstick on. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Mixing rose and white. Ta-da, pink apple smoothie vibes. Don't be shy, color high. This is so amazing. Green drop incoming. This apple is pretending to be a lime. Smash that like button now. Orange splash. Now it looks like an apple snuck into a pumpkin party. Purple plus white equals violet. Basically, the apple just joined a royal family.
Aw, so cute.
Glitter leaves activated. These apples are now officially influencers. This is so amazing.
Wow!
Color, color, color. If anyone asks, this is Leaf Skincare. Hydrated, glossy, fabulous. Yellow drop. Warning, this apple might start glowing like the sun. I know you've got this. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.